Hey everyone, welcome. If you protect your Excel sheet and forget your password, you won't have to worry. This method is simple and doesn't require any special tools or coding. Let's start. I know there are tools out there that can remove the password, but I would do it with this simple method which doesn't require any special tools or coding. There is a way you can do it yourself. You just have to follow these simple steps. I have this Excel file with 3 different tabs. This tab here, the Data tab, has protection in place. So, if I attempt to change something here, I can't. If I want to delete columns or lines, I can't. I added this protection in place because I didn't want anyone to mess with this data. You probably don't want to set that up all from scratch. Here is what you can do. First up, upload your protected Excel file to Google Drive. Next, open the file with Google Sheet. Google Sheets doesn't enforce the same protection rule as Excel. Once the file is open in Google Sheets, you should be able to edit the contents. Now, download the file back to Excel format. Okay, so now let's test. I am going to open the file. Let's see if I can add anything here. Yes, I can. I can change numbers, delete or add lines and columns. The sheet is now unprotected. This method is particularly useful for bypassing simple sheet protection and doesn't require any technical knowledge. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment below with any question or suggestion for further video.
Thank you for being a part of this wonderful community. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.